we're going to be doing complementary angles. Your homework is Dreambox. It's due Saturday, so make sure you're doing your 5 topics before Saturday. Complementary angle, let's write that down. Does anybody know what complementary angles are? That is the dad joke about this. All right, so Isabella, which reminds me that you are not in the right seat. Thanks for reminding me. Okay, complementary angles are 2 angles that add up to 90 degrees. Okay? So complementary angles are 2 angles that add up to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay? Now, what does 90 degrees look like? An L shape. A right angle, an L shape. So, Edward, we have this definition written down. Because that's the definition. When you go back and you read it, you're like, oh yeah. Now, what do you call this angle? A right angle, 90 degrees. How do I 100% make it clear that this is 90? The square. No, the square. More than straight lines, Jacob, that square tells you 90. Okay? So this is called a right angle, right? Right angle. But what if I take the same thing and perform magic on it by dividing it into 2 sections? I now went from a right angle to complementary angles. Because now I have 2 angles. I have angle A and I have angle B. This is just 1 angle. This is 2 angles. And when 2 angles make 90 degrees, they're called complementary, Marley. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a statement. Now this means less than, but in today's situation, it means angle. Angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B equals what? If I add these 2 angles together, what does it equal? 90 degrees. How do we know? Because it looks, when I put these 2 angles together, it looks like 90 degrees. I didn't do this last period, but I kind of regret it. I'm going to do it with you guys. I just kind of thought about it right now. Thank you. I mean, it's the truth. Hashtag truth right here. Okay. Here we have this is Post-it. This angle right here, what does it measure? 90 degrees, right? This and this, 90 degrees. 90. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we cut it. Okay, now this angle is angle A, and this angle is angle B, right? Angle A and angle B. Separate, they're 2 separate angles, acute and another acute. But when I put them together, cuando los junto, what do they equal? 90 degrees, okay? So it's like these 2 angles come together and make exactly 90 degrees, That's what complementary angles are. Okay? All right, so now let's do the math involved in this. Super, super easy. One of the easiest things I teach all year is today's lesson. So a right angle, let's silence that. Complementary. All right, this is going to be angle X, and this is angle 36 degrees. I want to know what is angle X. But Miss Lomelli, you didn't pass out protractors. How am I supposed to know what this angle measures? Yes. Okay, yes. Yep. Now, what does Miss O'Malley love to do? She loves to show work. You're going to show work. Necesitamos enseñar trabajo. So here's what the work is, because I know what's coming up. So, X plus 36 has to equal 90. Ese es el trabajo que estoy calificando. This is the work I'm grading. Okay? You have to write an equation first. We're going to write an equation first. So, X plus 36, these two together equals 90. So we write an equation. Now we're going to solve this equation. What number do I move and how? What number do I move? How?
Oh, to plus into
Yep. This plus turns into a subtract minus 36. If I minus 36 on this side, what do I do on this side? Very good. The hardest part of today is, can you borrow? Can you borrow? What does the 0 become when I borrow? A 10. What does the 9 become when I borrow? 8. So, we're borrowing. This is the hardest part, the borrowing. But, okay, what's 10 minus 6?
4.
What's 8 minus 3?
4.
So what is X equal to? 54. Yes, you have to show me this work. Yes, I know you can do it a lot faster differently. That's cool. But I know what's in your future, and I'm setting you up for success later. All right, are we okay? Fácil. What if your right angle goes the other way? Goes the other way.
So we had just subtract 36.
You gotta write equations. Gotta write equations. What's the first thing I'm gonna grade when I see your paper? The work, the equation. I know, Javier, it seems like I'm asking, like, seriously, Miss Emily, I can just do this. I can do this in my head. Cool. In about 3 minutes, it's gonna be harder. And on Monday, it's gonna be way harder. And you're gonna rely on this basic math that I'm going over right now to help you solve the ridiculously hard problems. All right. What equation do I write?
X plus
78 equals?
90.
Cool. All right. Yes. I know. I get it. But there's a reason. There's a why. All right. How do I move the 78? Subtract 78. Subtract 78. Okay, this becomes a 10. This becomes a 8. Today, it's always going to be 8 and 10. These always are going to be this. Okay, what's 10 minus 8? 2. And 8 minus 7? 1. So x equals 12. Easy? All right. Let's leave you with this problem while I go and collect homework. This is level 1. Everybody, this is level 1. Everybody should be able to do that. All right, let's write the equation. Let's write the equation. what do we get?
66.
Good. So x plus 24 equals 90. That's what you were supposed to do on your own. Yes, question? The nurse? Okay, yeah, give me a second. All right, now, Javier's like, why, Miss Lamelli? Why do I have to do this? Why? Well, here's a little taste of why. What's up with this one? Yeah, it's a little more, right? So, what equation would I write down for this problem?
Plus 46 equals 90.
Do you see why I have you show the work? And this is just level 2. This is nowhere near level Monday's level. All right, what number do I move first? 46. How do I move the 46?
Change the addition to subtract.
Subtract, yes, change it. So subtract. This is not new. Eso no es nuevo. ¿Ya tienes la respuesta? What'd you get? Ooh, okay. This is 44, right? But are we done? No, because on this side, what do I still have? I still have 2x, not just x, but 2x. So how do I move the 2? Divide it. Divide this side by 2 by 2. What happens to that 2? Crosses out. It's gone. X equals 22. When did we first start learning this? In like October, November. So I'm taking stuff that I learned in November and using it for your geometry lesson, because this is geometry. And in high school, same thing. Okay, we're good? So why are we on our iPad? Dreambox does not work. Canvas doesn't work. So you're obviously doing something you're not supposed to. And that made Jaden laugh. All right. Complementary. 2 angles that equal 90 degrees. 2 angles that equal 90 degrees. 25, 5x. 25 and 5x. Okay, what equation do I write down?
5x plus 25 equals 90.
Good. So again, I show you the easy way, and I have you, get mad at me for showing work, but this is the reason why we show that work when it's really easy. Because when you do these, you're not scared of them. You know what to do. What number do I move first and how?
Change the addition to subtraction.
What number am I going to subtract? Borrow. The hardest part of today's lesson is borrowing. But notice that it always becomes an 8 and a 10. What's 10 minus 5? 8 minus 2? 6 equals, what's left on this side? 5x. 5x. So now what's my last step?
Divide by 5.
Divide by 5. X equals 13. What period does Mr. UC have flight in space? Do any of you have flight in space? What period is flight in space?
Oh, that's 5th.
Okay. What's 4th period UC?
Oh,
coding and stuff? Okay. But flighting space is 5th, officially. Just kidding. I just want to know. Have you, 4th period, Axel, you have 4th period? And it's coding and innovators and whatnot. Have you guys done flight in space or not at all? No. Not at all. Okay, cool. Just curious. Okay. Are we okay with this? Yeah. Okay, time for the movie, guys. Time for the movie. We have actual work to do. Yes, it's a Friday and we work in this class. That's the movie? No, because Mr. Milford popped in. You know how when did she only come? When the movie.
So maybe I'm bringing you guys to like the last 15 minutes.
Okay, you know, last year we did the exact same thing. We finished. Most of the kids finished this in less than 10. And I went to Disney Plus. I'm like, all right, fine, I'll show you Disney Plus.
No internet.
There's no internet. And we're like, oy, oy.
Wait, but the new songs work. Bummer.
That's what I'm scared of. If I can't connect that, then I where's my piece?
So your paper pencil with the projector. Mr. Armstrong.
I think I may. We need another paper. Oh my God, Jane, I'm so sorry. All right, let me get you started, and then I'm gonna go chat with Miss Nofre. Okay, what's the first thing I'm gonna do? I'm gonna look at for what? I'm gonna look for your equation. Now we're only doing the front side. We're only doing the front. We're only doing level 1. So here are complementary angles. I'm gonna do x plus 25 equals what? 90 degrees. So that's the first thing I'm going to grade. If you don't have this, I stop grading. I stop, just give you a 0. It's only fair. I was just seeing who was checking or who was just copying me without even using any brain power.
Wait, what's 25?
What number should I have written?
45.
If you wrote 25, you're just copying without even thinking. That's terrible. That's terrible. So, minus 45. Minus 45. What does the 0 become? 10. What does the 9 become? 8. What's 10 minus 5? 5. And then 8 minus 4 is 4 equals x. X equals 4. Can you write it on the line so it's easy for me to grade? I'm going to be checking your work. Now, I'm going to give you 8 minutes. Set timer for 8 minutes. That would give you 1 minute. 1 minute per problem. Give me a second. Entertain yourselves for a second. Not the back. Just the front.
So these are how the kiddos who selected this. So I had changed it to art, right? But
that's why she's here.
that is why she is here. Okay, so let me call you guys up.
Listen for your name. Miss Onofre's going to talk to you for a second. I'm going to get my answer key.
Okay, Andrew, come on up. Okay, so you want it admonished. Leandro. Leon.
Raise your hand if you're all done. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, thank you for your patience.
Wait, with all of them or just
The front side.
like number
Hey, I set the timer for 8, so you're trying to beat my timer. It's in my pocket.
Do we have left?
6, 7 minutes. Okay, Andrew. Okay, we're moving on.
I'm barely on question one. Copying from
All we're doing today.
I don't know what.
Just look at it. Anyway, each one. 90, 90, 90, 90, 90.
No, I can't hurt my pencil. That's all the way I wrote.
Seriously, right? No, Ruben.
What you got, Ruben? You don't have a reason why you're
Good.
that means you don't.
That's it. So Monday, I'll do the back. Monday. Okay, Emma, go. You should be able to finish today.
I misread.
All right.
But I put 23.
Two more.
Right? You cross out the 0, put 10. Minus the 10.
Okay.
So it's 7.
Okay.
No, I was right. So I was right on that.
Hey, play with the toy. Stop playing. Is that what?
Yeah. So what you gonna do?
I don't know. Hey, you're teaching, alright?
You done?
X equals 7. Oh wait, X plus 4. looking at?
She crosses out the 0, puts a 10. She crosses out the 9, puts a 8.
Dude, that's the trash. It's not. What's 89 minus 90? 81 minus 90. 81 minus 90. Miss.
I'm so confused. Are you supposed to stop?
Your mother?
Pick it up.
Why'd you say your mother?
Miss, you should move that.
Okay, wait. Turn around.
You're wrong.
Okay,
I'm already finished.
that was the 8-minute timer. So if you finish, that was less than 1 minute per problem, which is fantastic. Okay, go sit over there. You have to be awake. This is not okay for you not to be done with it.
I'll finish right now. Give me 2
This is not okay that you're not done.
I'll get to you. No. We have to hang that one out too. No, you're good. Well, you're actually good. You're fine with it. Nah, you're right. Okay, put it in.
Excuse me, Leandra. Do I need you shouting out to him? Okay. Appreciate that you acknowledge that now. All right.
What's 18 minus 90?
Okay. Here's what we need to do. I'll come around. Listen. Keep it to yourself. I'm trying to figure out where to move you guys.
I don't miss this one.
Talk to everybody.
Mom and dad to come sit next to them. So then they stop talking.
But I like my seat.
Got it. Good to know. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. On Monday, we're gonna open. Oh, you're so nice. On Monday, I'm gonna have you turn this in. So the hardest part is saving this paper for Monday. Probably gonna assign the back for Monday, but I'm not sure. I might give you a harder one on Monday. So your job is to find a place that is safe for you to hold on to this, okay? What else? Okay, so you need to find a quiet activity to do. If not, I do have a lot of work. So the fact that the internet's down, well, we can work on missing assignments. Remember in the black file folder here are all your extra sheets. If you're missing anything, you can find it. Yes. Yes. You need to borrow a protractor. Raise your hand. I'll let you borrow a protractor. That won't have you call home. Some kids need to finish their work. Alright, so you have a lot of missing assignments.
I was just talking.
my gosh, I forgot we have
Yes, there is. There's like a third tree. Drink all of it.
We can't use
Ask me it when you're done.
No, what is that?
Okay?
Alright, what's 10
Minus 2. 10 minus 2.
We're trying to find
Hey, man, chill. Really like water. Drink water.
No, y'all lazy.
So if I get turned in any cycle.
If I had internet, I would
Yeah.
He doesn't.
I'm not drinking. Just lost. I just booked talking like He's not gonna drink that water. After this, I'm gonna clean this. I know. I'm a deep clean. No longer, I'm a deep clean.
Bro's gonna put it in a corner.
Yeah, is the internet good though? Yeah, bro, I can't even be on my game. Can't even turn my mic. I'm ready to go home already. And you said do something more? What the? We'll be on something like we're doing a quiz. Questions that's easy.
I did it.
What? What? Can you be on a telephone? Can you be on a phone? If you want it. You can be on a cell even like I don't think so, but I did. Ask her, Axel. You ask her, you're on your phone.
I'm not on my phone.
Ooh. Oh, now we on. High rigid. I don't know.
2, 3,
Both left.
4,
It's called Smartly. It helps you with any type of program, so I can finish.
How much did they pay to say that?
5,000. What describes me best? I'm. Which year are you?
Oh.
I'm a freshman. What brings me to Studley? When 10x fast. Improve my grade focus, better lecture, never lose
So,
What is your GPA?
we do 3 things.
I like notebook. What is your target?
Wait, second thing we do.
I'll do your GPA. Actually, I'll do your GPA.
I have like 0.8.
No, I think 0.5.
I have like a 4.3.
You don't have it. You have it. You have it.
I forgot how to change that.
Which part of Studley do you have most? Instant notes? AI chat with notes? Flashcard? Summary?
Yeah,
But the voice is gone right now. He's gone right now. 16. 6 or 7.
One time he gave me a tutu right after graduating.
Okay.
His graduated going, he gave me a tutu.
Yeah, what about this stuff? I could just study.
No, I'm doing
Daniel, did you finish this? I'm gonna keep it for Monday.
I said
Dude, Mister got me in trouble for literally.
You can remember always move. Yeah, good job, good job. Yes, as long as you're not, you're not. It's appropriate, Leandro.
Okay.
What'd you choose for Larry?
I didn't choose either because I wasn't here.
Choose art. I choose art.
Yeah, art is if you do
Art, I'm gonna sell that class. I don't care. Art.
Yeah. So, after this, that's where I have music.
I'm using study and on TikTok. So I'm gonna use it.
You're gonna fix going
I'm spending $24
on what? On the pro?
on study AI.
Oh, it costs us?
I don't know, it's like telling me for like maximum stuff.
My dad got me in trouble yesterday for skipping school. Like, they got me yesterday. He's like, we're going to Saturday school. We're going to Saturday school. I wasn't listening. I just didn't go yesterday. And my dad's like, we're going to Saturday school. I don't care. We're going to Saturday school. Yeah, no. I have to go.
Mom's telling me to go, but I do not want to go. I'm just gonna put it on. I'm not going.
I look at my dog.
But if I go, I'll just leave. Like, just jump in the door. Where's that girl? Say I won't wait.
Yeah.
I won't wait. You said what? Charlie. Axel, what are you doing?
Bro, Axel,
What are you doing, Axel? Axel, why are you standing up? Axel, why are you coming towards me?
Rolando's live.
Can you log me into study AI? I need it. Huh?
5 minutes.
Where are you going, dog? Are you trying to eat this?
5
Mine's on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop looking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 8. I logged in. Let it track my data. 8.
Go on to the school. Lagging.
Let me take a photo of Jake. Let me see if this is Oh, I'm gonna keep that. Wait, what's the photo? You can help me. Miss, what is economics?
Economic, like money. You're like the amount.
Okay, well, I love it. Okay, what is it? It's a little weird. It's right there.
Oh, I like it. Alright, tu trabajo es... Do the math. Are we happy? Okay, 8. Yeah, 8. Minus 2.
I used to have it back then. It was not even good.
Love how no one has missing assignments to work on. Love that.
And there's this last.
Oh, we've been recording this the whole time. Love that.
Yo.